Guys, check out the view behind me. This is just one of the puddles today from the glaciers that we're fishing in. We probably caught 25 coho so far, 3 or 4 chums, and we're about to walk downstream right now, but the views here, like I said, it's incredible.
Look at this, guys. This is pretty cool. Jake actually just spotted it, but look at that. That's about as ironic as you get. Look at this rock. It's actually got a fishing hook. Looks like somebody drew it. That's pretty cool. If that's not a coffee table ornament, then I don't know what is.
Woo! Benny's hooked up here, guys. Nice spoon action. We got a nice chum. Look at the color on that thing. Oh yeah. Oh. Fighting good, Benny?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
He's a powerful fish.
Oh. Look at that. That's a 20 pounder.
Yeah.
That's a 20 pounder.
Big male.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get you guys now.
Woo! That's a giant.
It was even bigger than that.
Really? Look at it. Look at the mouth on it, eh? Oh!
There you go. So there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Boy.
This one is pulling.
Atta boy. Streamer.
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh.
Woo!
He's pulling.
Oh!
Oh.
That's a nice fish.
This is a nice one. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that's a nice.
Oh yeah. Paul, you want to help me here?
Yeah, of course. Oh, nice. I got it. Right on. Here we go. Here we go.
Yep. Oh, look at this thing. He's pulling. Guys, this fish is pulling right now. This is by far the hardest puller of the day. Oh yeah. I'm gonna bring him in. Well, you got him? This is.
Settle down, buddy. Settle down. Settle down.
That's a big one, man. That's a giant. Oh yeah.
There we go. Yes.
Guys, look at these two fish. Private chopper into this
Look at that.
glacier stream. And this is what we're pulling out of here. We got chums, we got cohos. Look at these two fish.
Go.
We've been out here for about 6 hours, and we're not going in for another 6 hours, put it that way. We're out here all day, we brought enough food. We got our catch and cook coming up on the ice glacier. We're being fresh salmon. And we still probably got another 2 miles of walking the stream before we gotta head back to the chopper, so I'm pumped. Come on, Paulie. Well, that's a nice one.
Yep. Oh.
Nope, you still got him? He's coming right at you. He's coming right at you. I'm gonna help you out here.
There it is.
That's a nice one.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
Homer.
Oh!
Oh yes.
Yeah, buddy. That's a nice one.
There we go. Look at that. Look at that. What a beauty.
Yeah, man.
Oh, now that's
Oh,
what we
he's-
came here for. Those are nice fish. This is obviously a super fresh run. These things are no more than a day from the ocean here, guys, either. Look at these things. These are just Cromer bullets. Woo.
Oh yeah. Got some marks on him, eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Woo. Nope. Come on, buddy. Come on.
Nice fish.
Yeah.
Look at that. Gone.
No. Don't worry, don't.
The gator roll, man.
Yeah, I know, man. I was just like, don't throw the rod again, please. That's what I was saying, it's okay. Benny, that's a nice size one, man. Yep. Go, just reel this one in.
Yeah.
He's gone? No? Benny, this might be the biggest one of the day.
It's big.
Dude! Dude, it's a giant. Holy moly. Hey, stop. Stop.
This is a big run here.
That's a big one.
Look at that, eh?
Yeah.
Is this a monster?
Guys,
There's sea lice on them too.
yeah,
Oh, a bunch of them.
bunch of
Look
a
at
sea lice right there.
Bunch of sea lice, this thing.
Just came out of the ocean, eh?
Just came out of the ocean.
Okay, so we literally we're walking down a stream. We found this pot right here, this little puddle, and I just threw my spinner in, and I have a beautiful chum right here. This is a nice one. Look at this beautiful fish.
They're such cool fish.
Oh, this is so cool. Oh, oh. Walking the dog. He's not done yet. Oh. Oh! He's in between my legs. He's in between my legs. Hey! There he is.
There it is.
There it is.
Nice.
Right in between my legs. Oh, yeah. BC fishing. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Literally just found a pocket right over there. We're walking back to the chopper. Me and Paulie go, this is the pocket right here. They gotta be here. Nice little chum. Yes. She looks good. Let's eat. We're gonna head up into the mountains right now to cook this salmon. Let's go.
Now we're just about to lift off our spot here on the Coho Creek. So we're headed right now up to the glacier to do the catch and cook. Personally, I don't think there's ever been the 6,000 foot or 6,000 feet catch and cook ever in the air on a glacier with a little barbecue that we brought. So this is going to be a pretty epic moment. I am tripping out. We're 6,000 feet in the air right now, looking for a place to barbecue. Good shot. Oh, right there, yeah, that's a good view straight ahead. Oh, you mean tucking it right here? Well, just on that patch of snow you were talking about.
Yo! If this isn't God's country, what is? You tell me. My goodness. Okay, so we have our coho. We have Paulie here starting to fillet them. We got Benny over here starting to barbecue. And I think we might have a record here. I could be wrong, but I don't think there's ever been a catch and cook this high ever done. So this
Look at this meat.
This is special. Look at this meat. The salmon is on the barbecue.
Feed us now.
She looks good. So, Paulie, let's dice her up. Let's put it on the plates. Let's dig in. Right off. Bon appetit. Let's go.
Doesn't get any fresher than that, does it?
We're just wrapping the day up right now. We're here on the glacier, 6,000 feet up in the air. Check out the view that we have. We are eating our delicious coho that we probably caught 3.5, 4 hours ago. Paul, thank you so much for this incredible experience. It's pretty cold up here, so we're gonna sign off. Thanks for watching.